Hi guys, and welcome back to our video for today, the 12th of November 2025, this Wednesday. So, let's go through my watch list. What is on it, how do we trade it, and what is next in these stocks. So as you can see, LPTX, we call this for plus 73%, currently halted, so I have to wait and see how it behaves once it unhalts. But yeah, just entries here circled, as you can see. Falling wedge breakout against the one-day resistance of 0.65, above all moving averages, the 80 EMA, the Bollinger Band Center, 60 EMA, and these two thick white lines here, the 200 EMA and 200 MA. And then yeah, entry was there. Specific little criteria we look for in the Discord, which is disclosed. Unfortunately, we can't disclose that to the free video. But yeah, nice 73% runners on the remaining shares. As you can see, LPTX entered at 2:35 UK time. That's where I live in Manchester, UK. That's where I'm from. LPTX 0.65 entry area. First target 0.7 to 0.71 for our regular first target for a regular daily salary for a regular day in the stock market, and we leave the remaining shares to run to plus 74% as it stands. Not bad, which pay me back very nicely. So, what is next in this stock? So let's get rid of all this and chart it out again and see what is next for a day trade and potential swing trade in this one on LPTX. So we've got 1.3 as the next resistance here. We need to push over 1.3 for continuation of plus 8 to 10% for a day trade on this. So yeah, it looks good. Falling wedge against one day resistance of 1.3. Volume is good. Highest traded stock for today, which we have a little feature in the Discord which isolates the amount of trades taken within each stock. So therefore, we see how many trades taken within each stock, showing the real volume and real interest across US equities. This one has the most trades today, LPTX. We can see that in our most traded channel. And yeah, push over 1.3 should see it run at least 6 to 8%. However, if you go, actually looking at the 5-minute here, if we lose 0.65, I say we're done on this. It's coming back to where it came from. So we can't lose 0.65 also on the 5-minute. So 4-hour time frame, it looks good. A 4-hour close of 1.3, I'd see for continuation really. Right now it just looks like it might just be a bit scared to go up to 1.3 currently at the second of making the video. So it needs to close over 1.3 for continuation on the 4-hour time frame. And this is by 1:30 p.m. Eastern time for today, the 12th of November 2025. Our daily time frame, again, just daily close over the next resistance 1.3. Should see it continue and fill this. Fill the gap of 1.3. The next from this gap here, isn't it? 1 to 1.3, 30% gap being filled. Then it should continue towards 1.7 if we have a daily close over 1.3. So it looks good for continuation on that. Just remember, 0.65 is the level to break for a breakdown. So next we'll have a look at CMCT. I've not traded this one. Let's have a look. So 5-minute time frame. We need a push over 9 for a push of. Let's have a look. First target of 5% on this. If you're looking for a day trade on this, you look for a push over 9 for an entry, and then first target of 5%, stop loss 5%. There is specific criteria for entry we look for that break over 9, which we have in the Discord. So if you want to learn that, feel free to check us out. Link in the video description or in the Twitter bio. And if we lose, I would say, let's call it 7 in between here. 7. If we lose 7, then we're coming back down to 6 on this, and then ultimately done. So I wouldn't want to lose 7. 4-hour time frame, we need a 4-hour close, not over just the 200 exponential moving average at 9.84. 4-hour green candle close over 11 to engulf that 200 exponential moving average and the resistance. So 4-hour close over 11 is needed for continuation on this. Otherwise, it's just going to do nothing, and it's not going to be a good trade to take really. So that's 1:30 p.m. Eastern time. We need to do that by. And on the daily time frame, a daily close over 9 would be okay. It should continue over the next few days towards 11 at some point. And that's the reason, because we will be reclaiming this 200 simple moving average here at 8.6 and also holding on to support of 9. So a daily close over 9 would be good. It would present a strong bottom wick. It'd be a green candle if you get over 9.3, which would be even better. And just a daily close over 9 should present a strong bottom wick, a reclaim of the 200 exponential moving average, and also a reclaim of the 200 simple moving average, and a reclaim of this 9 support here. So that's that one for CMCT. So the breakdown and continuation levels. And last but not least, AMZE. We did actually trade this in pre-market for a nice plus 20% move. And ever since then, it's been a downtrend. So just to show you real quick, we entered on this 0.8 break here, and it ran up towards 0.97, it's about 19%. So if we go back into my alert here, it's going to get the full watch list for live trading with share limits and XYZ. So we entered, AMZE, 10% first target, which hit, which is great. So now for this one, we need to reclaim 0.8. So just to push over 0.8 for a plus 6 to 8% move from there for a day trade. However, if we lose support currently at 0.6, then we're done on this and it's coming back to where it came from, which is around 0.5 area. If we lose 0.6 and it's done, reclaim 0.8, push over that for plus 6 to 8% first target. Going to the 4-hour time frame now on AMZE. A 4-hour close over 0.8 would give it a chance, but we need to have a 4-hour close over $1. Really, full continuation by the end of today or by the end of tomorrow, really, for a push up towards 1.3 for a death cross recess to the 60 exponential moving average. So you don't want to lose 0.6, otherwise you're coming back to where we came from. And if we don't get over $1 in the 4-hour time frame by end of today or end of tomorrow, the 13th of November, it's going to come back down anyway. And I'm guessing the daily time frame, yeah, we need to get over $1. Reason being is because we've got the Bollinger Band Center here, this orange line rejecting right from the resistance here. So we need to get over $1 because we're 65% more likely to remain beneath $1 because we're below the Bollinger Band Center. So when we get above the Bollinger Band Center at $1 flat, we'll be 65% more likely to remain above $1 and continue up towards 1.3 for that death cross retest on the 4-hour time frame. So yeah, they're the levels needed for AMZE for continuation for a day trade and swing trade, etc. And your breakout and breakdown levels. So yeah, hopefully this video can be of use to you. And if you want all this information laid out to you, as well as alerts from myself, day trades from Phoenix, day trades from Fox, 4 different types of options trades, swing trades from we think we get 3 to 5 every 2 weeks, swing trades. So yeah, and seminars, trade reviews, publicized trading journals from the advanced traders like myself. All of that is in the Discord, link in the video description and the Twitter bio. So thanks guys, and I'll catch you all later.